Welcome to the channel Tech Life Industry. As the name says, it is all about technology, life and industry.
Tech Life Industry.
Today's session is about an instrument which helps us to find out hidden things, which is cables, pipelines, etc. It's also called as a cable avoidance tool. In short, it is CAT. This is the product we were talking about, and the power button is here. When you press, it makes a beep. It got a control, voice control here, rather volume control here, the switches, and a battery cabin which can be opened with a coin here. We will be talking further about operation and its features in coming minutes. Here we got a new set of cable detector. Let us see what is inside. It has a cable detector plus a set of generator set in the sense it has some accessories which are the cables, the earth clamp and the magnet. Magnet is for bigger pipes. The serial number and warranty certificate, calibration certificate, everything is there attached with. The screen shows P due to a power source nearby, and these are the contents in the box, which are generator, cable detector, bag, cable lug, magnet and a cable set. It got 4 modes. One is electricity, second is telecommunication, third is Genie, and the fourth is tricolor, which includes all of them. We can say all in one. In this picture, we can see these blue circles, which is signals emitting from that cable which is connected to the Genie. See, these are the bigger signals because of the Genie. Next to that is a small cable which is going without any connection. You can say assume it as a telecommunication cable also. Now moving to the next portion. Here you can see the Genie is connected to a lamp pole and the person is detecting with the detector. Here is the cable movement, and these lines are the signals emitting from the cable. The black is the earth connection and the red one is the main connection from Genie to the lamp pole. The earth is a must in this case, and the signal captured by the detector this way. So wherever the cable goes, the detector captures it. Now see, these are the 3 modes. We can see the orientation of the detector. The rectangular thing you see with the number 1 is the screen which you can see on the detector. Second one, you can see half signal strength, because the orientation of this detector is not perfect nor completely wrong. So it gives a half signal, which is a semi signal on the screen. But in the third case, you can see a full strength, and this detector moves perfectly crossing over that signal generating cable. So it gives a full signal on the screen. So this is the way we need to hold the detector. Now, how do we use this machine? Let us see the graphical presentation of it. In this picture, we can see the blue line, which is the total area to be inspected, then horizontal lines and vertical lines. The green horizontal lines and the orange vertical lines are the way we need to move along with the detector to find any possible cable beneath. The red dot we see here are the places where we got signal from the cable underneath, and we marked it with a cone. When you join these red dots, you get actual way of the cable movement. The next visual will explain how did we find the cable over here. See the inspector moving horizontally now. We have made the video a bit faster to shorten the total length of this video. Now he found one point where he got a signal, and here he is getting another signal. It will be placed marked by a cone, and the second spot is marked. Now the movement goes on horizontally, and the third post is fixed. It keeps on moving like this. Now the turn of vertical movement. He finds the first point here, keeps on moving. The second point, vertically he moves on. And the third point, and he got the final at the border. This is how it looks like when we finished the inspection process. Each of these cones shows signal we got from underneath, and when we connect these points we get the final way of cable movement. This is one of the uses of cable detector. We can either avoid or pick this path as per our requirement. Hope you found this video as useful. We will be bringing more videos of technology, life and industry in coming sessions. Share it with people who would benefit from this. Thank you.